Hi, welcome to CJ Y Money Entertainment, and I got a box. Well, if you've never been to my channel before, I get really happy when I get a box, and the reason why I get happy because there's normally really good stuff in the box, and I always forget what's in the box. So one of my subscribers says, must be like Christmas. And I said, must be, except that when I get a box, I can't use the knife on the box. Get it. See what's inside. Cut like butter. Cut like butter. But I don't think I need the knife for this one. This. What is this? I know what this is. This is a Bluetooth speaker. Isn't that look so cute? And we gonna go in details with this Bluetooth speaker. Supposedly this Bluetooth speaker, I should be able to my CD player to it, as well as Bluetooth it. It's got a little thing here. I just think this is just so fancy. A Bluetooth that's smaller than this. It comes with the adapter wires, and this will probably be to hook up the CD player. That's my dog coming on out, so don't pay her no mind if you hear in the background. And this is to charge it. Really short cord. The cords are getting so short these days. Look how short this cord is. Short. I mean, come on now. Really? It's almost the same size. The Bluetooth. It does have some rubber grips on the bottom. What I really do like, let me take off my glasses and look at this up close. The stitching on this is really, really pretty. It looks like it's a bag, a carrying bag, like a Gucci kind of bag, like up close. But for those who know, I don't do nothing without reading the instructions. So I'm gonna read the instructions, get back to you, let you listen how it sounds. But before I do that, I'm gonna do it up close because this is really pretty and it's really solid. So let's see. Okay, this is the top. Look at that, it's like stitches. But this is plastic. This is not material. And that's what I wanted to show. Look how that looks. The detail in this is really, really nice. Look at that. It looks like it's like a piece of luggage. And this is the back. Right. Okay, let's pair this Bluetooth up. So I'm going to turn this switch on. Just got to charge it.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Okay, so there is a pause button. Throw them likes up if you like this video. Slap that subscribe button because you want to see more me and my things and my stuff.